Imagine a midday meal that not only satisfies your hunger but also fuels your body with the right nutrients, even on your busiest days. Healthy lunch meals can boost your energy, improve productivity, and enhance overall health. Now picture this, a healthy, delicious lunch meal that you can prepare quickly and take along with you. Sounds good? Let's dive right into it. Making a healthy lunch doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. In fact, it can be as simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. First, choosing the right ingredients is crucial. Opt for lean proteins like grilled chicken, tofu, or beans. These are not only filling but also packed with essential nutrients that keep you energized throughout the day. Next, whole grains such as brown rice or quinoa are excellent options. They are rich in fiber and can stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those afternoon energy slumps. And let's not forget our colorful veggies. The more vibrant your plate, the better, as different colored vegetables provide a variety of antioxidants and vitamins. Moving on to the actual preparation, let's keep things quick and easy. Steaming, grilling, and roasting are great cooking methods that retain the nutrients of your food. You can also batch cook your proteins and grains at the start of the week to save time. Lastly, packing your lunch correctly is just as important. Use airtight containers to keep your food fresh. If you have a salad, consider packing your dressing separately to avoid sogginess. And remember, taking a few minutes each day to prepare your lunch can save you from the temptation of unhealthy fast food. And there you have it. A healthy, tasty lunch, ready to go in no time. Easy, right? But wait, there's more! Our channel is brimming with a variety of quick, easy, and healthy meal ideas, perfect for your hectic schedules. From exotic salads to wholesome wraps, we've got you covered. And it's not just about recipes, we also share valuable cooking tips and nutrition facts to make your meal prep less daunting and more exciting. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join us on this journey towards healthier and tastier meals. Your body will thank you.